Hi everyone, my name is Ogundele Fatai. I'm here to present my project on commerce. This is an auction website that allows users to bid for an items. So the first thing I would like to explain is models. These are the models I use for the web page. It allows me to store different things on the particular web page. Then the next thing is active is create listing. How do I create a listing item and I'll add it to any of these items here? So let me create a list. Fan, description of the list, a good fan, a good fan. Then price, let's say the price is $30. Then next thing is I will have to upload the image. So once I upload the image will allow the anyone that want to bid for the item to see the item they want to bid for. So this is the image. Open to upload. Then I will select a category for the item, let's say electronics, and I will submit. So that's all about how to create a listing. And once you create a listing and add it to this particular active list, it will be once we submit it, it will be added to the active listing. As you can see, this is a fan. So that's all about the creating list. The next thing is active listing. Any item displayed here is an active listing. It means we can click on any of the item and bid for it. So that's all about active listing. The next thing is listing. So this listing, if I click on any of the items, it will take me to this listing page. So on this listing page, we have add to watch list, remove listing. That's if you want to remove the listing because I'm the one that created it. That's why I have this one here. Then the title, the picture, price, description. So this is the details of all the listings. So enter your bid price if you want to bid for it. Then details, no one has already bid for this item, no bid yet. Then who created it? I am the one that created it. Then comment, if I want to add a comment. So if I add if I add anything on this comment, it will be displayed as well. So let me remove this item, remove listing. Once I click on remove listing, it will delete this item from the active listing. Automatically it will no longer be there. So that's all about the listing page. The next thing is watch list. On this watch list, let me click on watch list. On this watch list, I have I have Apple on my watch list. So if I click on Apple, this Apple, so this is the Apple, it will take me to that listing page again. So from this listing, I can remove it if I don't want it on my page again. So that's all about the listing. So who has the current bid? I'm the one that has the highest bid so far. So comment, I've already commented here, and that's how it works. So the next thing I will be explaining is categories. So on categories, if I click on categories, so these are the categories. So we have none, animals, plants, technology, wallpaper, and so on. So if I click on any of the categories, I will see any items. So this cat is a category. Is a category under animals. So I can add it to my watch list. So that's how it works. Then the last thing I will explain now is admin. So this is the admin page. If the administrator log into the page, if you open this place, it allows the administrator to change anything, delete or add items to the page. So the last thing is win bids. If I win any bids, if I bid and the person deletes, remove the listing, I'll be announced here as the owner of the bid. Thank you so much for watching.